Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device and also how you can remove it. So first let's open settings, then go to the accounts section, tap add account, then select Google. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And then you have to select if you want to enable Google backup feature. Like if you want to enable it, just tap accept. If you don't want to enable any backup feature, just disable this tick here and tap accept. And after that, account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, select it here, tap remove account and then confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.